Mayroon kong pare, pinadalan ko siya ng joke. Aba, nag-respond siya, "Lol." Hindi ko alam yung, oh, "Lol." Ang bira naman, pinatawa ko na't lahat. Lol pa ako. Kala ko ulol, parang ganun. I took offense. Sabi ko, only to find out, LOL pala means laughing out loud. Akala ko, ang sama pa ng response niya sa akin, pinasaya ko na nga siya. Again, judgmental. Listen more. Listen more to the Lord. Don't listen always to yourself, your problems, your plans. It's all about you. Obey more. Obey. Listen ka ng listen. Hindi ka naman nag-o-obey. Dasal ka ng dasal. Pareho pa rin ang asal. Your mindset never changes. Obey. And when you obey, you're in for many surprises. Love more. Heart po. Sacred heart. You really want to follow the Lord, you have to go beyond mindsets, calculations, mga mo. Puso ng pinag-uusapan eh. So you go beyond your comfort zone, you can go beyond and you can give that extra mile, extra smile, if you have